Hi everyone, it's Jules from Handyman Homes. Today we're going to look at the installation of our new solar pool pump and panels. This system was installed in the Southern Suburbs. To allow us to stay close to the pump, we used a mast to place the panels. This adds to the efficiency of the system. It also gives us much more flexibility in how we can direct the sunlight onto the panels. Every installation varies and it depends on the customer's needs, the position of the swimming pool and the position of the property. The pump is a 48 volt system on a DC brushless technology. It's very quiet, it's very efficient, and it's been working well. The panels are two 48 volt panels wired in parallel. They're installed by our qualified electrician, meaning all the work is guaranteed. They also come with a 10-year manufacturer's guarantee. The mast and bracket were well engineered to withstand the strong winds that we experience here in Cape Town. And we are very proud to be able to offer this to all our customers, free electricity to run your pool. No more paying for power to clean your pool. This is a great option. With the cost of electricity increasing annually, this really is a money saver.